Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. Today I want to show you how to connect the backup camera for BMW Android screen, Mercedes Android screen, and Audi Android screen with selling. This is the normal backup camera. You can buy this kind of camera anywhere, and it contains the backup camera, the power connections. Also contains the video connections like this. It has two cables, and this is the power cable for BMW Android screen. You can see it contains the real camera, this one, and this is the power cable for backup camera. Camera 12 out, this one. It also designed FF camera in. That is for front camera. This is the power cable for Mercedes Android screen with selling. It also have similar connections. This is the rear camera, and this is the power for the backup camera. This is the RCA cable for Mercedes Android screen. It contains the front camera here, front camera in. The Audi Android screen have the same connections like this. So today I just show you how to connect the rear camera, and I also will show you how to connect the front camera. Now let me connect the camera first. Connect together. This is the power for the camera, right? And the power connection, it has two cables. This is the black one for the ground, and this is the power connection. Here is connector. We need to connect to video cable, this one. And this side here, we need to connect together to this one. Like this. And please notice, this cable, the black one, don't need to connect it. Don't need to connect it. I will tell you why I don't need to connect it later. And the video connection, the other side, this cable, connect to real camera from the power cable. This is the real camera, connect together. And this side connect to the camera 12. As I mentioned, that is the power for the real camera, right? Connect together like this. You can see when you reverse the gear to reverse mode, the power will go through this cable and go through this, go to this cable, and then it will have the power for the camera. The video signal go through this, and go to the Android screen. Then you will see the picture of the reverse image. Then will be okay. But why don't need to connect this? Many friends ask. Because the video connection here, it already have the ground. Where's the ground? You can see the connection. Inside this pin is the positive. Outside this one is the ground already. Okay? So when it connect together, this one don't need to connect the ground. Just leave it alone. Then will be okay, because it already have the ground for the camera. Some friends want to install the front camera. This is the front camera we selling. It have a connection like this, and we offer the white cable like this. You need to connect like this. This one, the power, I disconnect first. And I need to use the wire cable. The wire cable connect together. That way, the power will separate to two connections. I connect one for the rear camera, like this. And the other one, I connect to front camera. This one, connect together. Okay, and the video connection, I connect to front camera. Here, this one, FF camera in, connect together. And this cable, it have a power for the front camera, like this. This cable connect together. Then will be fine. You can see here. When you switch the gear to reverse, the rear camera work. And then when you finish the reverse mode, go to drive mode. Then the front camera work. For the front camera we selling, it design a cable like this. This camera is AHD 1018 pixel. But we also have some friends. He ordered the model, he don't support AHD 1018. In that case, you need to connect this cable together. Then this camera will become AHD 720 pixel here, just like this. In this part, I'm talking about the settings. You need to go to Settings, System, Camera Selections, and you need to choose Aftermarket Camera. This is the first thing. The second is go to Factory. Go to Setting. AHD camera selections. When your model is AHD camera, you should choose AHD options. But if you're not sure your camera is AHD or CVBS, you can choose this automatic detect. But when you choose automatic detect, when you reverse the gear, the camera might not respond immediately. It might delay 1 or 2 seconds, then the camera pop up in the screen. So my experience is I need to choose the camera time here. That way, when I switch the gear, the image will pop up immediately. Okay, here. Another thing is, we also have friends do like this, but it also not work. How to do? You can go to Vehicle. You can see gear selections here, gear selection. You can try to gear type 2 or gear type 3. Because some cars is manual transmission. In that case, the gear is different. So you can try this. The Mercedes, the settings are the same. Go to Setting, System, Camera Selection. Choose Aftermarket Camera. It also have the same setting here. Here you can see they are totally the same. The Audi and the screen are all the same in the settings.